Hi guys, welcome back. So today, it's a little bit out of my norm of videos I do. I'm just doing it because the missus has asked me to try and figure a way to keep this greenhouse cool in the sun. I mean, it's springtime at the moment and it's already topping at 35 degrees in the sunshine. Now, I'm not claiming to have discovered some brand new product on the market here. They're auto vents, quite simple bits of kit really. So this is what we're going to be installing. I've installed a few of these in the past, and they've always been fiddly as hell because the little clips that come with it are a nightmare. They expect you to try and find some little groove or piece of metal somewhere that you can clip these things onto. No more messing about. It's self-tapping screws. You get these from Screwfix, they're absolutely brilliant, and because most greenhouses are aluminium, they go through them like butter. So this is where the problem has been in the past. They have these little plates and try and find a piece of metal somewhere where you can sandwich the two pieces together and clamp it to the frame of the greenhouse somehow. But I have found in the past that they can work their way loose, and if they do work their way loose and the whole contraption comes apart, the window slams shut and it smashes, and it's just a headache you can afford without, to be honest. So we're just going to offer it up somewhere where we're comfortable that it fits. I know I can get a couple of screws just in these two holes here, and I'm not going to have to worry about coming through the metal and hitting the glass anywhere. So that's what you've got to do when you do this. Just be sure there's no glass on the other side of where you're about to screw, and just make some adjustments as necessary. Okay, so once we've got that mounted, we'll just ensure this is lined up nice and straight, and now we can just get a couple of self-tappers either side there, straight through there. Like I say, because it's aluminium, it will just glide through there. And now we take the magic part, which is the piston. It's a good idea to chuck these in the fridge before you do this for about 20 minutes, and that'll ensure that the piston is fully retracted. Just make it a little bit easier to work with. I don't know if you can see there's a little hole there where a split pin has to go through, so you have to line it up with this rod inside the mechanism. Okay, there we are. And now you should be able to push on that, and as you wind this in, this is basically how you adjust the temperature. So the more you wind it in, the quicker the window will react to the heat. 28 degrees up here now, because I've had this window shut while I've been working on it. This window should be well and truly open now, so I'm going to wind it in quite far. Now I just have to monitor this over the next couple of days to make sure it's opening up at the right temperature. If it's not opening up soon enough, all I have to do is give this a wind in clockwise. If it's opening up too soon, I can just wind it out a little bit. But simple as that, no more messing about with them horrible little clips trying to get it on the metal. Self-tapping screws straight away, quick and easy, permanent. Now I've also got some auto vents for the louver vents at the bottom of the greenhouse here. If that's something you're interested in seeing, you could probably watch that video up here. I've got no special tricks or tips for this. This is brand new to me. I've never done one of these. I don't know how easy it's going to be. So maybe you just want to come along for the ride because you're thinking about installing them yourself. See you in the next one.